Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this splattered ink effect in a Canva from any picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing this picture. I already opened the new Canva. And first I need a square, just a general square. I just add into the Canva and change the color to yellow. And go into the element, search element, and I search for ink splatter and go into the graphics. And I have to find a splatter which is looking good for my project, plus we are able to change the color. Like I will try this, just increasing the size a bit, and as you can see we can change the color and changing to white. Actually the important thing, we have to change it to the same color as the background. And now I just open a new page first and already just change the color of the page and downloading the first page. Download as a PNG and just downloading the page 1 and uploading to the second page, increasing the size. And just removing the background, and as you can see it's already removed the background, and actually this portion is transparent, and I can already do this, just increasing size of the picture to have actually this yellow square mask for a whole Canva. And now I just go into the uploads. I'm using the one of the picture what I would let you use it, increasing also the size and going to the layers and send it back. And as you can see, due to these portions are transparent, we can see the picture, and it's really there's this splattered effect. And you just have to download this second page now with the mask and the new page. It's downloaded, and actually would like to change the background to a bit lighter, increasing also the size, and go into the remove background. And now we have the final result. And as you can see, I created this splattered ink effect from a picture, and you can use any of the picture what you find in the Canva or what you uploading. And of course you can choose a different splattered ink part or element for it to have a different shape. And this one works with all kinds of shapes. That the only thing is the mask thing has to be a same color. As going back to here, as you can see, I made a white background. I add this yellow mask and change the element to the same color as a background. Downloading it, and when I just removing the background behind this yellow mask, I can add any picture, or even we can add also a video if we want. So this is also works with the videos, but the video background remover is not that not that good at the moment like for the pictures. So, but now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching, hope so you enjoyed it, and if you like, please do not forget to click the small like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao!